Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. These earrings are amazing. First off, I love that it comes with an alcohol pad for you to clean your ears and the earrings. They are very easy to put in. I didn't even need to use a mirror. And I love the way that they look with your hair up all the way, with your hair down. You can really still see them, or with your hair pulled back. No matter how you wear your hair, these are a nice accessory. So these earrings come in a variety of sizes, ranging from kind of small to the ones that I have in my ears, which are kind of medium size. And then they have some stunning bigger ones. I also really love that they come with rubber backs too. Some people aren't a fan of the metal, or some people like the metal and not the rubber, so they give you an option if you want to wear the rubber backs or the metal backs. So I really love that. I think that it makes it very versatile and it makes it really appealing to everybody. I also could not ignore the cute little box that it came with. So awesome and nice. You can just hold all of the ones that you are not using in this nice cute little box. My ears are also fairly sensitive, so for them to not break my ears out is definitely a huge deal. So if your ears are sensitive, these are definitely the earrings for you. So I just love these so much, and I think that you will too. And that's my point of view.